What's the meaning of broadsheet? Broadsheet. Broadsheet.
Broadsheet. Broadsheet. The term broadsheet refers to a type of newspaper that is generally larger in format than a tabloid newspaper. Broadsheets are typically seen as more traditional and serious in tone, often featuring in-depth news coverage, analysis, and commentary on a wide range of topics. They are also known for their use of detailed and high-quality photography and illustrations. Compared to tabloids, broadsheets tend to attract a more educated, affluent, and older readership. While their popularity has declined somewhat in recent years due to the rise of digital media, broadsheets remain an important source of news and information for many people around the world.